ASTRA was a concept that we developed coming out of our Foundry environment, where we do a lot of open API developer work. And really it was a compilation of several factors. We do a lot of work in the threat landscape around what's the new emerging threats, as well as delivering security solutions to customers. And what we quickly realized is that the model needs to change.
ASTRA is a completely new way that we're developing software at AT&T. It's an innovative platform that is going to change security technology. It's decoupling the software from the hardware and making it much easier and more flexible in how we can offer security. Traditional security services are developed based on appliances. Vendors typically have hardware and proprietary software that they integrate into some kind of appliance or server or hardware that we plug into our network at AT&T.
You have your internal network of things that you want to protect. And the way we've protected them historically is that we would run all of the traffic from the untrusted internet in through these control points, what we call the security perimeter equipment. And then they would get into the network and basically have free reign if they got in.
One of the reasons that things have to change is because in the mobility-enabled cloud of the future, you're not sitting at your desk anymore. You're out and about, and that perimeter defense that previously was used doesn't really make as much sense. It's hard to draw a perimeter around a mobile phone. It's hard to draw a perimeter in the middle of a cloud. So we need a different way of doing things, and ASTRA provides us the ability to do that.
ASTRA is an open platform and we'll have published API. That will unlock the ability for two things. One is for asset owners to decide exactly how they want to protect their asset based on available capability in the cloud. And on the other side of the equation, vendors and developers will have the ability to introduce new capability without going through a long, drawn-out certification process.
The way that we do the functionality that used to again be done by hardware inline boxes is now by this term we call rings around things. So we draw rings around things. The things we're trying to protect, as opposed to protecting a large enterprise perimeter, we're protecting small, discrete, atomic things.
The concept of shrinking security, or rings around things, it's an orbital security model. We don't need to have this massive perimeter.
So it leverages the intrinsic value of the scalability and efficiency of the cloud environment, but now it rapidly deploys technology and capability.
People talk about how the cloud is elastic. You need more of it, you get more of it. That's very important to security. Security has a lot of peaks and valleys to it. When a big DDoS attack comes, you need more computing resources. What the cloud allows you to do is distribute that, and you get a much more simpler atomic functionality, which is a much cleaner approach to design.
When you think of your mobile workforce as a virtual workforce, you need a way to protect your data and assets.
By using the agile software development process, we're able to innovate every 3 weeks. We're doing something that's completely different.
It simplifies security, it lowers the total cost of ownership, and it reduces the barriers in terms of time and effort to get new technology into your enterprise.
I think the true power of this will come about when everybody adopts it. Our peers, our vendors, our customers.
AT&T has a very aggressive plan to grow the security business, and I think ASTRA is going to help drive that.
We want to astricize everybody. We want to make everybody an astronaut. So the more that people learn the concept, they're jumping on board.